My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Pouu. This is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It encrypts files and appends a special Pouu extension additionally to the file names. So as a result, it is not possible to use the files anymore. My video, of course, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open all your files without any complications, including pictures, music files, Microsoft Office documents, all other data. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Pouu ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Because of that, very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This Pouu ransomware encrypts files and appends a special Pouu extension additionally to the file names. So this is what happens. You try to open the specific file and you get a message indicating that you can't open this type of file with the Pouu extension. So it's not possible to use the files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your computer. But first of all, it might update its anti-malware database. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which is the best solution to keep your data always protected.